day 15, and this one is gonna make a man out of me. This is what it sounds like to be going 12 miles per hour today. We got every bit of a 30-mile-per-hour headwind right now. I made the terrible mistake of checking the forecast. That's gonna be here all day. Well, I say bring it. I've been feeling way too good for way too many days. It is a struggle to keep hitting double digits right now. The rain is coming back, so I think I better close up the camera. But that's Devil's Lake right over there. It's huge. Oh yeah, that's right. I'll be here all day. Keep blowing. Go right ahead. I'm going that way. That way. Oh yeah. This is what it sounds like to go 0 miles per hour. Whoo-wee! So the rain didn't really hit me. Just a few drops. We're 45 minutes and a remarkably small number of miles into the ride today. And our target is wherever the hell we are 8 hours from now, into that wind. Actually, I need to stop and eat already. This is taking it right out of me. But I'm gonna stay low. I don't pay too much attention to the number of miles. I always use the number of hours for whether or not I should be eating or drinking and things like that. So today should be like any other day. Whew. Yeah. Just trying to get a picture of that flag. The wrong way. We are 2.5 hours in. I thought I would just I would just check and see if the wind is still blowing. Can't really tell anymore. I'm kind of numb. I'm going 9. Well, the good news is I get to cut south pretty soon. I probably should not try to take 95th Ave. That roadway has seen better days. Interesting. I wonder if they've gotten lots of rain around here, or if this has been closed for quite some time. Yeah, we are 3 hours and 20 minutes in now. Hey, look, that bird's actually making progress to the east. That was about the first one. Good for him. Oh, now he's going south. Oh, yeah. Good luck, buddy. 4 hours and 42 minutes in today. You might see over there at that airport a little wind sock, which does in fact demonstrate that there is a headwind today. How you feeling, wind? 5 hours blowing pretty steady, might start to tucker you out. I'll be here all day. What you got? What's happening? What's the best you got? 30 miles per hour non-stop with a few gusts that go quite a bit higher. Actually, one thing that might be promising is that when it does gust, it does feel like it's more out of the southeast as opposed to the straight east. I wonder if that means maybe this wind is going to blow around on us a little bit. But it's maybe, hell, I didn't want to think about it. It's a long ways to any place on a day like this. We're going to give it a good solid 3.5 more hours and see where we end up. Right now, my lovely support crew has got us, and we got some lunch in that van today. Alright, just over 5.5 hours in. We've made it to County 4, which goes straight east to Larimore, about 30-35 miles or so. But I was thinking I would run just a little experiment here. I think this wind is losing its grip. You hear that? You're getting a little tired, wind. It's shifted down to the south just a little bit. So I'm only getting about square root of 2 over 2, 70.7% of this shit in my face. But I've been cranking along here at about 11 miles per hour. I thought, just for fun, why don't I turn around for a 1/4 mile and see what that feels like, see what it sounds like. And without any traffic, bear with me for just a second here. Oh yeah. So it's actually not as bad as I thought. I'm just buzzing back up at, I don't know, 22 right now. And it's really easy. I can coast up this little grade here. We're sticking right at 20. 20. Oh, I can feel that wind pushing on my back. Oh, would it be nice to be heading west today. But we're not heading west. We're just measuring the wind speed. There's a car back, holy moly. Well, we're gonna let this car go by, and then we're gonna get back to work. Alright. Gonna have to use the brakes, getting pushed up this little bitty hill here. Oh man. Yeah, that's what I remember. 9.3. Whew! Alright. Enough complaining.